honey. Do you have honey?
Is it focusing? Is this in focus right now?
Yeah. Do you have honey?
Yeah. Right here.
This?
No, the one
container?
The one. The one in there. There it is. You found it. You found it. Okay.
I'll never miss an opportunity.
So. Okay. So. Shut up. So, as is apparent, I have the hiccups, and I'm going to cure them for you right now. Using my technique. My technique. So, you have your glass of water.
I think I eat chicken with honey now.
You pour.
It's really good.
Good. You pour a tiny bit of water in.
It's really good. Maybe try.
Just a tiny bit.
Chicken with honey.
And then you take.
Here, go.
Wait.
Feed the baby. Feed the baby. It's
Isn't it so good? It tastes like it tastes like sweet potatoes.
No one says that. Now,
Right.
just for a moment, turn your head this way.
Oh no, I hope that didn't cure me, that bite of honey chicken.
That could be another.
Another cure? Okay, wait.
Honey
Did it cure me? Oh god. No! I wanted to use this. Wait, I think it cured me.
That's ridiculous.
The scare. The scare cured me.
So I
Never mind. Okay, so you take
just a spoonful
Take
of sugar.
12 small rhythmic sips. You missed that one there? Okay, ready, go.
No, I have a hiccup. It was silent, so I wasn't ready.
No.
Oh, and you don't breathe. Do you need to take 12? Whoa. Do you need to take 12 or will 11 do?
I don't know how many I just took. But, because when you stopped the breathing, I lost count. Anyway, that's probably enough. I think like 10 is okay. But
You can't breathe.
yeah. You just take the smallest amount of water that will make you gulp. And I don't have hiccups anymore.
My method is to fool me.
I win.
That's great, Mae.
Hiccups, 0.
Terminated.
Megan, 50. Captain Morgan stance from the babe. Oh. Turn her chin up. Pet under her chin so she looks up and it's like super Captain Morgan. Oh, yeah.
See, you're not making her happy.
She's like, why? Go.
Okay, I'm gonna take some blood this morning.